So we are going to start by going to our toolbar and selecting the pie graph tool. I've chosen black, and now just add in your specifications. Then go to the check mark and hit apply. This is going to give you the slices in your pie graph. I'm going to get rid of the stroke. Then I'm going to select the graph and rotate it 180 degrees. Next, I'm going to ungroup it and choose Extrude and Bevel from Effects. Make sure you click on Extrude, and then you're going to rotate the x-axis. I ended up with 75 degrees, and then I made the y and z axis both 0. And then change the depth to 200. And there we have our first pie graph. You can see all the segments are separate. I'm just going to duplicate this here, and we'll work on our second one. This one's going to have different heights for each pie slice. So I've ungrouped it again. I'm going to reapply the bevel or the extrude and go back to the same numbers, 75 for X, 0 for Y and Z, and then 200 for the depth. Now you can see all of the slices are in behind the biggest slice, so I'm going to move all of them to the front, and I'm going to adjust the height in various increments. I'm just going to line this up here. So depending on how many slices you have, that might change which increments you want to use. I dropped each of my increments down by 20. And there's our steps. Now I'm going to change the colors. This is our branding color, so I'm just going to go with that. And I'm going to make it a spot color so I can just choose different tints of this color. There's a little error up above, but that's okay. We're just going to ignore that for now. It's going to give us what we need. And there we have it, our two pie charts.